Buna pisa pimpana spangkane ngar ngatip namar ba ipara kan thei chungai nang late college. Kaprom kadai ba kan new education policy. Kan new education policy ka bas ba. Namba ro kumpanya ja po kami khlia ka chungi pa po state ka chungi ka flop show. Kadai ka flop show. Flop show ba flop tan baru khat. Balai namar ba jiksha ka NP kadai ban ai kata ka opportunity nam ta ikhna dinam dera. Opportunity ikhna ba kinai kata ka fourth year kinyo kata ka research program ka chungi kinum kam sa ban le po ka master. Tama mata pa university kam la ban panya kata. Education minister ujung UI kita ki UI kata kan news ba ongin perkiu ka high fees ko mas photo ka 100%. Tamam berkharpat kendiat ru em bakum ka ka jing em kena kiman berkhar di kita ru em. Kam kali kena spang kata kendiat ru em. Kena mentang ki sakot they left in confusion. Most of the students are left in confusion because of the new education policy. Baka college kamla ban ka college kampat ngutho ban penyat kumno kino hikai kinong long confused. Imagine la kino hikai kinong long confused kena kilong kumno try. Manta ka university ka omba ong hinam asyo ka research program we PCA. Hinam asyo ka research program we PCA le ka 4 year pendep ka 4 year penyo ta ka honors degree. Imagine. It is the same old thing. It's the same old thing a few years ago. Pendep license piyo ba honors paper piyo ba ka degree. Right? Manta ban ha ka 4 year piyo le ka ta penyo ka honors degree. So means like you are telling the students waste your money for 1 year it's fine, waste your time for 1 year it's fine. It's good for you guys. Is the university not capable of doing anything? Then why did they even take the NEP? Why did they implement the NEP? Why did they implement the new education policy? So that you could leave students in confusion? Why did you run a trial without any good understanding of the policy on the students? Are they your trial rats? Are the students your trial rats? That's the question.